Having trouble with your Eufy camera displaying the dreaded "failed to connect to network, please try again" message? You're not alone. Eufy cameras, known for their reliable security features, occasionally face connectivity issues that leave users puzzled. But don't worry, resolving these problems is easier than you might think. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to properly address and fix this connectivity issue, ensuring your security system functions smoothly. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. The first step in solving this problem is ensuring your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly. Begin by verifying that your internet connection is active and stable. Try using another device to access the internet. If it works, your network isn't the issue. If connectivity problems persist, restart your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds and then plugging it back in. After the router restarts, check if your Eufy camera can connect to the network. Keep in mind that Eufy cameras typically require a 2.4 GHz network band. Make sure your router broadcasts on this frequency, as many routers default to 5 GHz, which can cause connectivity problems. Step 2. Power cycle the Eufy camera. If the Wi-Fi network is functioning well, the next step is to power cycle your Eufy camera. This simple process can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the failed to connect message. To do this, turn off the camera and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Once the camera restarts, check for connectivity. This power cycle can refresh the camera's connection to the network, often resolving the issue swiftly. Step 3. Update the Eufy Security app. Sometimes connectivity issues stem from an outdated app or software config. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Eufy Security app installed on your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device and check for any available updates for the Eufy Security app. Install updates if available, as these often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve network issues. After updating, restart your phone and open the app to see if the camera connects successfully. Step 4. Reset the Eufy camera. If the issue persists, consider resetting your Eufy camera to its factory settings. Be mindful that this will erase any custom settings. To reset, locate the reset button on the camera, often found next to the camera lens or at the back. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep or see the camera's light change. Once the reset is complete, set up the camera again using the Eufy app, ensuring it connects to the correct Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Contact Eufy support. If the previous steps have not resolved the issue, it may be time to reach out to Eufy support team. They can provide specialized assistance tailored to your specific problem. While contacting support, provide them with detailed information about your setup, including the camera model, app version, and any error messages observed. This information will expedite troubleshooting and help identify any underlying issues. Getting your Eufy camera back online is crucial for maintaining your home security. By following these steps, from checking your Wi-Fi network to contacting Eufy support, you can troubleshoot and resolve the "failed to connect to network, please try again" error. Remember, ensuring your system's connectivity is key to enjoying the full benefits of your Eufy Security camera. With these strategies, you can swiftly restore your peace of mind and your camera's functionality.